Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE125tws, truly wireless earbuds, and today I want to show you how to charge the batteries here of the earbuds and then also the battery case. And so we're going to start out with the earbuds, and so when the LED here on the side, when that one starts to blink in white, then it is time to charge the earbuds, and you just simply put them into the charging case. And when the light here, the white light, is constantly on, that means that the earbud is currently charging, and it's going to stay on until it is fully charged. Then the LED is going to turn off, and a full charge takes about 1 hour. And in case you're wondering, when the batteries of the earbuds are fully charged, you can leave the earbuds in the charging case. It is not going to damage the batteries of the earbuds, and they're not going to be overcharged. So just leave them in there while you're not using them. Okay, so next we're going to take a look at these 3 LEDs here on the charging case. And those LEDs indicate how full the battery of the charging case is. And when there's only one of those LEDs lit anymore, or that LED is even blinking, then it is about time to charge the charging case, and we do that with help of this charging cable here, with this USB cable. And you have here the one end, here the smaller end with the USB Type-C connector, and that just plugs into the bottom of the charging case. And then the other end is here this regular USB, and we're going to plug this, for example, here into the charging cube of your smartphone. So in this case, this is here my iPhone. You can also use any other smartphone charger or just USB ports on your laptop. Alternatively, you can also use one of these USB Type-C charging cables of your laptop itself, in case your laptop does have that, so this will also work. But in this example, we're going to continue here with the iPhone charging cube. So I'm going to plug this in here, and then I'm plugging the other end into my outlet. And then we can take a look at the LEDs of the charging case. We see here the more LEDs are constantly on, the more the battery is charged. So you see right now only the last LED is still blinking, so the battery will be fully charged soon. And a full charge takes 2 hours, and you know that the battery case is fully charged when all 3 LEDs actually turn off. So at this point you can easily unplug now the charging cable from the charging case. And you should do this really carefully. Don't like bend or twist the cable or the connector while you do this, because this may damage the charging port, and then you eventually will not be able to use the charging case anymore. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, leave a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.